Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to move your ASManager database from one computer to another by backing it up and restoring it. Backing up the GV ASManager database from first computer. Here we have the GV ASManager software interface, currently installed and running on this first computer. First things first, to back up the database, we need to close GV ASManager and any services it's using. Let's open the folder where GV ASManager is installed. Then, locate the file named asminiservice.exe. Run it as administrator. This will close the necessary GV ASManager services. Now, asdbmanager.exe, run that as administrator as well. In ASDBmanager, choose ASManager Database and Path Setting. Click Backup Database. From here, we can select Config, Logs, Photos. By click on the three dots, we can select the file's backup folder. We will choose Desktop now. Click OK. We can also backup account profiles. And again, we are selecting Desktop as backup folder. After confirming the location, click OK. The backup process will take time based on your database size. Now that the backup is done, let's close ASDBmanager. Let's verify that the backup files have been saved in the location we selected. Yes, our ASManager database is successfully backed up on our chosen location. Now copy the backup folder to an external drive or a secure network location. Restoring the GV ASManager database to the other computer. On the second computer, paste the database backup folder that we just created. Now navigate to the ASManager installation folder. Inside, find the asdbmanager.exe file. Run it as administrator. ASManager Database and Path Setting. If this is the first time ASManager is being set up on this computer, we need to create a Microsoft Access database. Select Setup MDB/MSSQL database for ASManager. In the Setup Database Connection dialog box, choose Microsoft Office Access Database. And click OK. Wait for the program to create the database. Yes, a new database has been created. All right, let's get that old database back. Click on Recovery Database. Now, we need to find that backup folder we copied. Select it, and now click OK. Same for Restore Account Profiles. Click OK. Click Yes to confirm each step to replace the existing database. Yes, we've successfully restored our old database to this computer. Now close the ASDBmanager. All right, let's double check that our old ASManager data is back. So let's open GV ASManager. Yes, we can see all of our controllers are connected to this ASManager PC. And all of our data are also here. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.